What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know you would like to be able to turn a little bit of money into a lot of money. That's probably the reason why you're here. The reason why you watch some of these videos is because you can potentially turn $100 into $1,000, or turn $1,000 into 10,000 or $100,000. And maybe you want to do it with one quick trade. You want to throw something into Shiba Inu and it turns to a ridiculous amount. You want to throw something into some sort of thing that starts from the beginning and grows to a ridiculous amount. But there's also a process of doing it maybe a little bit more longer term, right? Creating more of a job out of this, right? Instead of working your 9 to 5 and spending your time by trying to make all of this money doing maybe hard labor or whatever, right? Depending on what your job actually is, maybe even having some sort of, kind of mental strain, on you. I think you can do something like this where you are going to be able to make a little bit more money or potentially more money, and you kind of dictate exactly how much money you make depending on how much effort you put into it, rather than you making the same amount no matter what effort you put into it, right? You could work as hard as physically possible, but if you end up you make salary or whatever and you make a certain amount no matter what, you're spending all of these extra hours and you're not making any more money or getting any more recognition, right? So what's really the point? um, Now, I'm not telling you to quit your job in any way. I just want you guys to understand the art of, day trading or swing trading, especially within cryptocurrency. I've been able to utilize the platform Margex, and I've been searching, right? Overall, I've been searching for different platforms to give me a better handle on day trading, for better fees, for charts, for being able to utilize other people's money in order to trade cryptocurrency as well. This is a platform that really has worked wonders for me, and I know it's worked wonders for a lot of other people. However, you are going to have to make sure that you truly understand crypto, that you understand trading, and you understand how to physically build a strategy for yourself that either works or doesn't work. Being very disciplined is a main selling point of this. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Now, if you guys want to follow along before you get into the rest of this video, you can pause it here, use my link for Margex, sign up for Margex, and start trading with Margex today. You can fund it by putting over, some Solana. I suggest sending over some sort of coin, not a stable coin, but like Solana or BNB or something that you can easily that you can have a lower fee with when you decide to withdraw. Because once you select a certain coin that you're getting or that you're starting with, you're going to be receiving that every time you make trades. So if you want Ethereum, which does have a costly fee, then you can do that. If you want BTC, then you can deposit that into it, whether you send it there or you just buy it outright. But anyways, feel free to use my link down below if you want to get started here. But now for the people that do have Margex, understand that Margex is a fantastic platform, and maybe it could be confusing for some people. And as you get into it, you're like, I don't know what this is. I'm going to back off. Well, watch this video, right? Because I will explain it, in the simplest way that I can, exactly what you're looking at here, because it's different than just trading. It's different than just buying a position and selling that position. You can look at it as that, but if you do look at it as that, you're going to be confused when it comes to the leverage side of things. So leverage is essentially you just utilizing other people's money. It's like you saying, I want to make this bet, or I want to put money in and buy, I don't know, this phone, right? I want to buy this phone. It costs $1,000 to buy this phone, but you only have $100 to buy this phone, right? So you're basically saying, I want somebody else to give me the other $900 in order to purchase this phone. Eventually, I'll give you that money back, with whatever the fees are, but I'll give you that money back. So essentially, you're just utilizing other people's money in order to buy the amount that you want. So you have to understand multiplication in order to understand this. So as you look at maybe a 5x leverage, right? I'll make it easy and go to a stable coin, even though I don't have, or you know what, I'll go with Tether since I have a little bit there. So let's say I wanted to buy $100 worth of a position. You buy $100 worth of a position at a 5x leverage. It means that I'm only investing $20 of my money in there. I'm only risking $20 of that, but I'm utilizing $80 from Margex. This means that I'm able to trade $100, get the gains from $100, but only trade with $20. So it gives you that ability to utilize other people's money in order to make multiple trades, better trades, more consistent trades, and be able to make money from it, right? But this also means that you can lose a lot of money as well, that you can lose more than, well, not more than what you put in, but you can lose what you put in a lot faster than just putting that $20 in outright, right? If you wanted to just buy $20, if it goes down to zero, that's how you lose everything. But if you put in $20 here on Margex with a 5x leverage, if it decreases by 20%, then you would lose everything, right? Depending on what you're putting in and how much the leverage is, you could essentially lose all of what you put in a lot faster. So try and stay away from 50x, try and stay away from 100x, try and even stay away from 25x. I typically don't go over, 10x. There's a rare chance to where I will, but I typically don't go over 10x, and I stay between 5 and 10x, which gives me the best, way possible to succeed. So anyways, the good thing about this platform is that you do have the charting, right? So you have dynamic charting. So if I wanted to go into ApeCoin or I wanted to go into BTC, I could do whatever I want there and go into these different positions. And it'll also give me the 200 EMA, the 50 moving average, whatever other averages I have, and also whatever I draw on the screen will stay there for the next time I look at BTC, right? Now, another thing that you want to understand if you're getting into it is that you have a leverage amount that you're leveraging as well as what you're trading. So whatever you're leveraging will be what's coming from your main account, and whatever your leverage trading will be another position. It could be BTC, it could be ETH, it could be Doge, it could be Pepe or whatever. Now, as you make that trade and you profit from that, like say if you take your profit, you're now receiving whatever you leveraged within that position. So just to give you an example, these are all the positions that I have open currently. And I have my margin positions where I margin, Tron, I margin BNB, AVAX, XRP, and these plays I'm gaining, say XRP here, or I'm gaining Tron here. I would gain extra Tron even though I'm trading Ape. Does that make sense? I suggest that you guys play around with it, because playing around with it will be the best way for you to understand what's truly happening. Don't go all in. I would say you can go in on $1 at a 5x leverage, meaning that you're investing 20 cents. You could do that if you want to in order to understand what you can gain, what you could potentially lose, and start to kind of break that down for yourself. It's easy to understand as soon as you start to really dive into it. But you're going to see here that a lot of my trades, I've been making a ton of money, right? Some of these are negative. I just put these in today. You can see the 23rd of March. 24th of March, 24th of March. So I'm putting these in, just today or yesterday or like the days before. But some of these other ones, like this one was from March 19th and I'm up $60 on it, or 121%. This one I'm up 116%. I'm up 213% here. Let me see. And then I have 225%, 854%, and so on and so forth. So I'm making a decent amount of money with Margex. And like, if I wanted to give you an example of it, of an insane amount of money that I made, as we saw the bullish momentum that happened, which we haven't even seen altcoin season happen yet. This is why I'm starting to really dive into some things. As we get into or when we are at the bullish momentum there, I ended up making about $7,000 in XRP from just trading $100 worth of XRP. $50 there, $25, $25, took some of those gains, reinvested it into another play. As that blew up, I gained a little bit more money. Total $7,000 worth of XRP that I was able to gain, giving myself a lot more of a chance to get to this level of 35,000 XRP. So honestly, it's been working wonders for me. I wouldn't say that you guys will have the same success right from the gate, but just try and build a strategy that works for you, right? It can be as simple as possible by looking at the RSI, looking at where the prices are, looking at the previous price, and then making a long-term investment. Now, make sure that you, I would say, go with like 5x or 10x. Don't go crazy, because going crazy, there's a lot of people that lose a ton of money. But there are people that take that risk and make a ton of money from it. But if you invest $1,000 at a 100x leverage, that's $100,000 that you're trading with, and you have no room for error. If that drops by 1%, you now lose absolutely everything. So, or everything that's you put in that position. So it's going to be very, very tough to see that fully through. I've gone 100x maybe a couple of times, and I've become profitable in, I was probably like 5 times, and I was profitable in 100x leveraging twice out of the 5 times. But 2 or 3 of those times were very low amounts. One time was a super high amount. I think it was like $500 or $600. So I definitely took my time with that one. And as I saw any type of positivity, I got out of it very quickly, right? Because I didn't want to take that larger risk, which honestly I should have let it run. But either way, Margex, definitely a great platform. Check it out. The link is in the description. You guys can look at that all you want and start to get into some of these plays here. But you can fund your balance with Ripple, with Matic, with Bitcoin, with Tron, all of these different things if you really want to. What I typically do is, as I end up making money from this, so my total balance will vary. As I end up making money, I have a certain amount that's in orders, like $1,000 or something. And then when I do make something, I get a certain amount and I send that over to Coinbase, where I'm going to hold like my forever coins or add to my exit plans and stuff like that. Or I just put it in my bank account as, gains, and, treat it as if it's a job. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.